All right, welcome back, man. Thank you for tuning in. If it's your first time to the channel, you should see from the name, the channel mainly about kicks, whips, and all the stuff, doing car meets, all the good stuff. But today, what we got going on? We're going to get both car detail washed. I'm gonna put the guy that does it. He does hand washes. So you're in the Orlando area, I'm gonna put his picture up here. You're gonna see a video of him doing it. He does hand wash. He has everything himself, and that's mainly what I'm about too. If you have a small business and you need exposure, I'm gonna put you out here. Hopefully, this help you grow and get exposure and get more clients to you. And yeah, we go basically go and see you. You'll see the process of everything this guy does. He does an excellent job. Right now, as you can tell, I'm not in the Scatpack. I'm in my Infinity. So I'm gonna take that, get it washed, get it detailed, then take the Scatpack and do the same. Then we gotta go get the windows tinted. I'm tired of it. You know, I can't. I'm just at the light. People looking. It just gives an awkward feeling. I'm not saying I'm trying to hide for anyone, nothing like that. But we're going to get the windows tinted. Okay, guys, Neil Whips and Kicks back at it. We got the windshield, like I finally said, I'm gonna get the windshield did, and this door here finally tinted here. We're in the shop. We had flying windows off of Cimarron, so give them a shout out, come holler at them. All them guys there, they do good work. So I'll show you the finished result here in a couple hours. Sound beautiful, don't you? That's what I'm talking about. You can't see nothing in at least right now you can't. That's clean now. So like I say, guys, you know, come over here. So my guys out Cimarron, if you're in Orlando, flying windows, they do a real good job. I don't think they even had the car enough for about a good, I guess because I was talking time flying, but it didn't seem like a good 30 minutes, man.